In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a landing page with Shopify using EComposer. By the end, you'll have a polished, on-brand page ready to share with your audience, all without touching code. First, open your Shopify store and head to the Apps section. In the search bar, type EComposer. When you see the EComposer app, click it to open its page, then click Install. This adds the page builder to your store so you can design pages visually. Once the installation finishes, look to the left sidebar of your Shopify admin and click EComposer to launch the builder. On the main screen, click Start Building. You'll be asked to select the type of page you want to create. Choose the option that best fits your goal. Most of the time for campaigns or ads, you'll want a landing page layout that focuses on a single call to action. Next, you'll see a library of professionally designed templates. Browse for a style that matches your brand's personality and the purpose of your page. Clean, focused designs generally convert better, so lean toward templates with clear sections and strong headlines. When you've found one you like, click Insert to load it into the editor. Now the fun part, customization. Replace the headline with a concise, benefit-driven message that makes your offer instantly clear. Update the subheading to reinforce the value and remove any placeholder text you don't need. Swap images with your own product or brand visuals and keep file sizes reasonable so the page loads fast. Adjust colors and fonts to match your brand guidelines for a cohesive feel. If the template has a button, rewrite the call to action to be specific, like Get the Offer or Start Your Free Trial. You can drag, duplicate, or delete sections to streamline the flow, keeping the most important information above the fold. As you edit, check spacing and alignment so everything feels balanced. Most builders let you toggle between desktop and mobile views. Take a moment to make sure your page looks great on smaller screens by simplifying text and ensuring buttons are easy to tap. When you're happy with the design, copy, and layout, click Publish. EComposer will save your work and make the page live. That's it. You've built a high-converting landing page in Shopify using EComposer, ready to drive traffic and results.